Hi guys, thanks for tuning into an episode of Nuggets News. Well, today I'm going to run you through the new Bybit crypto debit card and some of the big promos they're running at the moment and why it's so important to become your own bank with everything that's going on around the world today. So these new cards come with a chip and you can tap them and use your PayWave and use it anywhere you would normally use any of your normal banking debit cards. So why is this so important? Well, we've continued to see people that speak out or protest against the government have their bank accounts frozen in different countries. We know that Cyprus had a big bail-in of all customer deposits back in 2013, and we just see that banks don't look after their customers. With everyday Aussies struggling, Commonwealth Bank have just announced $5 billion half-yearly profits, and they're going to pay more out to shareholders while the customers themselves are struggling. So, no love lost between banks with me. So if you haven't already got a Bybit account, click on those links below. On mobile, it's going to take you to the App Store or Google Play or to the website if you're on a desktop computer. And then just sign up and register as you normally would and pass the KYC. For those of you already with an account, just click those links below and you'll qualify for these bonuses, and all you have to click is register. So let's have a look at some of these other benefits. So plenty of cash back when you start to use this for your spending. I'm going to talk about how you can sit in different coins and get different rewards and select what you want to spend from. But 100% rebate on selected partners. So your Netflix or your Spotify, or if you're a trader, your TradingView account, you might pay for your annual subscription, then they're going to give you 100% of that back, which is a great offer at the moment as well. Other benefits here, we're going to talk about the rewards you can get, higher interest rates than a bank on your idle capital. These cards are free and there's no annual fees. First 100 USD free for cash outs when you do withdrawals at ATMs. As always, guys, make sure you've got a strong password, two-factor authentication, those different layers of security if you're going to start to become your own bank. All right, so if you're already registered and signed up, this is going to be very easy for you just to apply for a virtual card and be approved within a matter of minutes. And then you can then apply for your physical card, and that's going to come in the mail, in a few days or week, whatever, depending on where you live around the globe. But let's have a look at some of these features here. So here you can see auto savings mode and what you want to pay with. So you just click on these. At the moment, I'm in stable coins in Tether. And you can see the auto savings on that, the stable coins fluctuating about 7, 8, they were at 10% the other day. So still, it's an attractive reward for that money that's just sitting there idle compared to your bank account. If you want to deposit and fill this up, you can check your amounts and they're going to be in your funding account as opposed to your trading account within the Bybit app or website. So if you want to deposit, you just got to choose the coin you want to deposit with. Choose the chain that it's on if it's on multiple chains. As always, most of you guys know how to deposit crypto to a crypto exchange by now. But let's have a look at some of these other special offers as well. And as I said at the start, these are all stackable. So click those 3 links and it's just going to ask you to click register if you're already signed up. Literally one click and you're eligible for all these. So the first one is these $10,000 to 3 winners every month, and then $100 to another 10 winners, and they're doing this monthly at the moment as well. So go into the chance to win that just by using your card. And celebrating 1 million Bybit card users as well, this other promotion where you can get additional cash back, refer other friends, and that type of thing. So I think this is an absolute no-brainer. If you don't like banks and you love crypto and you can now spend this anywhere, as I said, it's got the chip. All you've got to do is fund it. The fees are around 1% to convert from your crypto into Aussie dollars, which is very reasonable, particularly when you think about all those cashback and rewards you can get. So as I said, guys, please use those links down below to support the channel. Share these videos around, become your own bank, and I'll talk to you again soon. Cheers.